Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm not saying this is a tutorial, but if you get anything from it, then great. Let me just get my shit. Let me just get my stuff. Okay, so what I use for my eyebrows is the Anastasia Dipbrow gel in ebony. I use this tiny brush. I don't know if that's going to focus. Tiny brush to kind of carve them out. And my Anastasia tiny brush, which is in the number 15, and I wish it was longer, but it is not. So anyways, I first start off with just getting my brush, which I clean every time because I can't have any goop on it or my eyebrows go streaky. So I just take a little bit of product first. I've been kind of thinking of changing up my eyebrow routine because this shit's getting old. So I've already primed my face with just lotion, and I don't put any concealer or anything down because I'm gonna end up probably wiping it off anyway. So let me get you all zoomed in. So I start with the top on each one of them, and then I draw them in on the bottom. So, and I start a little bit before or after the beginning of my eyebrow because I'm going to ombre it. So dirty. I need to get a new hand mirror. This mirror is shit. Look at it. So awkward to hold. So I might have to go out tonight. I'm waiting on a message via Facebook from this lady who's got some makeup for sale, and I'm getting a bunch of Laura Geller stuff and a NARS palette and all this stuff for like wicked cheap. So hopefully it's not stolen. I've looked at the packages on the pictures and compared them pictures online, so we'll see. Now, as you can see that it's really thick under here, I'm going to actually carve that out with my little concealer brush. I just want to get them even first. And then I'll kind of just fill them in a little bit. And this is where the fun begins, because I have to carve them out. So what I do is I just take my little concealer brush and some, I have some e.l.f. BB cream here, and I just put that on there on the little brush, and then I carve them out. And I have a towel ready because I'm going to be wiping it off every time. This routine is really a pain in the butt. And that's why I have them on for 3 days at a time most of the time. I really hope she hits me up tonight because I would like to play in my makeup today. Not tomorrow. Because I won't be able to play in it because she's going to have to deliver it while I'm at work. Alright, now this is where I kind of ombre them. And I just really started ombreing them. I used to just completely have them colored in, so I have this little eyebrow pencil thing I got off Wish, and it's got the little triangle end on it and a spoolie on the other. So I'm gonna kind of use that real quick. because this left eyebrow over here is intense. I'm going to have to shave it down a little bit. Now I'm just going to take a Q-tip and get all this concealer off. Alright, now I'm going to take some concealer and kind of lighten up the beginning parts of them because they're a little intense. Almost done as I drop my brush. Now I just like put my head down and see if the arches are the same, and they are. So yeah, that is it. I know it seems a little intense and extensive, but this is just how I do my eyebrows. This is how I do them right now. I've changed them up so much in the past, from using pencils to using powder, but this is what works for me right now. And yeah, so I just get them to stay on. I just set them with a little bit of Coty Airspun, and then they should last about 3 days or so. So I usually do my eyebrows the day I wash my hair. So, and I wash my hair every couple of days. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the flip side. Bye.